ever dream of turning your garden into a relaxing retreat? A place where beauty, peace, and inspiration all come together? Imagine stepping outside and instantly feeling calm, surrounded by charming garden design ideas that bring nature to life in the most creative way. Welcome to Relax Gardens, your home for inspiring transformations, space-saving design hacks, and budget-friendly makeovers that turn ordinary spaces into something truly magical. Here, you'll discover the most trending garden design ideas, from calming layouts to charming accents that add character and warmth. Our focus is on creating outdoor spaces that don't just look beautiful, but also feel peaceful and inviting. Whether you're looking for a garden makeover on a budget, creative landscape design, or relaxing outdoor inspiration, this is a channel where ideas bloom into reality. Before we dive into today's garden design inspiration, take a moment to support Relax Gardens. Hit that like button, share this video with friends who love nature, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more relaxing garden ideas. And don't forget to leave us a comment below. Tell us what kind of calming and charming garden you dream of. Now, let's step into today's garden inspiration together. A beautiful garden doesn't always need big changes or large spaces. It's about creating harmony, balance, and a touch of creativity. The secret lies in making your garden feel welcoming, peaceful, and full of charm. With the right design ideas, even the simplest space can be transformed into a soothing outdoor retreat. Think about blending greenery in a way that feels natural and relaxing, adding layers of plants that flow together to create depth and beauty. Add charming garden accents, small details that make your space feel personal and inspiring. A garden makeover can be as simple as refreshing the layout, choosing calming colors, or adding a few creative touches that spark joy. The most inspiring gardens often combine relaxation with creativity. Spaces that not only look inviting, but also give you a sense of calm the moment you step into them. These design ideas are about more than just decoration. They're about building peaceful garden spaces where you can unwind, recharge, and feel connected to nature. And the best part? You can achieve a breathtaking transformation without needing endless resources. Just the right balance of imagination and inspiration. you have it. Relaxing, inspiring, and charming garden design ideas that can turn any space into a peaceful escape. Remember, your garden doesn't need to be large or complicated to feel beautiful. What truly matters is the creativity, the calm touches, and the little details that bring everything together. At Relax Gardens, our goal is to share the best garden inspiration with you. Ideas that help you design outdoor spaces filled with peace, charm, and character. Whether you're planning a full garden makeover or just want a few simple design touches, the inspiration is here waiting for you. If today's video gave you fresh ideas or a spark of inspiration, support us by hitting the like button, sharing this video to spread the beauty of nature, and subscribing so you can be part of our growing community of garden lovers. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which garden design idea inspired you the most, or what kind of peaceful outdoor space you'd love to create for yourself. Thank you for watching Relax Gardens, where inspiration meets relaxation. Until next time, may your outdoor space always bloom with calm, charm, and beauty.